Need to send money to a friend fast? If you have a Bank of America checking or savings account, you likely already have Zelle built right in. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Zelle is integrated directly into your Bank of America mobile app and online banking. To send money, go to Transfers and select Send Money with Zelle. If it's your first time, you'll enroll by verifying your US mobile number or email address. To send, just choose a contact, enter the amount, and hit send. The money moves directly between bank accounts, often within minutes. My crucial pro tip? Only use Zelle with people you know and trust. It's designed for sending money to friends, family, and others you trust. Because payments are typically instant and irreversible, it's not recommended for paying strangers for goods or services, like online marketplace purchases. Send and receive money instantly, without needing cash or extra apps. What do you most commonly use Zelle for? Splitting dinner or paying rent? For more guides on modern money movement, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.